Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me for this video, Absolute Value Inequalities Part 3. We'll continue from where we left off with the Part 2 video, evaluating more of these inequalities. Remember the procedures as I will show you. Solve this out as an algebraic expression until you arrive at the absolute value. You'll have minus 3 absolute value x. You take the 2 on the other side, you have a minus 2. Now shift only the minus, it'll be easier that way. You'll have a 3 absolute value x, the minus will flip everything around and you'll have a 2 over here. Now shift the 3, you'll have a 2 over 3. Now shift the absolute value and you'll generate two statements over here. One statement is x is greater than equal to 2 or 3, exactly as you see it. The other statement is exactly opposite to what you see. X is less than or equal to minus 2 or 3. So you're looking at those values which are larger than or equal to 2 or 3 going up to infinity, and those values from minus infinity coming over here. You can very well express your answer here in a good domain. Minus infinity coming all the way up to minus 2 or 3 including it. And then you jump up to 2 or 3 including 2 or 3 and you go up to infinity. Find a value in between, could be 0. If you put 0 in here, you'll have a 2 minus 0 is less than or equal to 0. 2 is not less than or equal to 0. So you know very well it has to be values in this interval you see. You can also very well on a number line represent everything here. You're looking for here at a 2 or 3 and here you're looking at a minus 2 or 3. And you're looking at these values which are included but going towards infinity, and these values which are included but going towards minus infinity. So you can very well establish your answer in this form too, and it would be good. Let's look at this question. We don't have an inequality, but we have an equality over here. You would solve this out as you would algebraically. When you're doing this, you push all the absolute values on one side and you push everything else on the other side. You'll have a minus 3 absolute value x, bring that here, minus 4 absolute value x is equal to 3, and you take that on the other side, minus 7. Combine this just like you would anything else. Minus 7 absolute value x is equal to minus 4. Take the minus 7 on the other side. Remember, things won't flip around or whatever because you have an equal sign here. Absolute value x is equal to 4 over 7. Now you will demonstrate the two possibilities here. X is equal to 4 over 7 and x is equal to minus 4 over 7. Now how would you actually demonstrate this in terms of an answer? Well, you can just do 4 over 7 and you can do minus 4 over 7. These values are very well included. If you did a number line, you would draw it exactly like this. You have a minus 4 over 7. Here you have a 4 over 7. And this is it. That's exactly as you would do it. And your answer has been completed. So keep in mind the equality versus the inequality. Don't let an equality fool you around or confuse you simply because you're seeing it. The procedures are the same, except they're actually easier when you're dealing with an equal sign. And with that, I thank you. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.